Service Specialties of Elkhart, Indiana, and we've got the Service Specialties brand, the LiftCo brand, and an Outdoor Outfitters brand. We are serving several industries, but primarily it is off-road vehicles to RVs, but it's more of a command horse trailer style of RV or race trailer industries. We dealt with such a vast amount of bankruptcies in a short time. Our volume dropped by 90%. Not only was I able to had to cut the fat out of it, I cut the meat out of it too. We gave up a lot of talent, a lot of skills, and as we are coming back and growing coming back, a lot of those skills and talents are now gone. So they all had to be relearned. All the processes that we had in place needed to be relearned. And because of the area that we were in, when it picked back up, there was no labor available. So a lot of the skills that were needed to be learned by the people that were here. And I wasn't the one to train them on all that. And I understood that, nor did I have the time. We decided to partner with Cogent after meeting with several different consulting groups. And after talking with everybody, the fit of Cogent and what we were trying to do seemed to be the best. It was the personality that drew us. There was business talked about and what was going on and what we thought our problems were and what needed to be done. But there was just as much communication coming back and forth on a personal level at the same point in time. The consulting process started with Bob coming in and taking a look at our business and talking with us on each of our positions and what we were doing and what areas we were handling. It allowed us to spot our mistakes in the errors that we were having, and for Bob to make improvements or recommendations for us to do to help improve our entire processes.
You know, he was a pretty relatable individual. I mean, likable. He was very relatable. And then when you get more in depth with everything, you understood that, wow, this guy has a lot of experience. And some of the things that he started bringing up to us, I never even entered my mind as was a question. So it's the thing I'm most proud of is the structure that has been set in place and started, and not only provided just for us in the office, but the key employees out on the factory floor. We've got the foundation started. The basis is started for us. Now the ball's in our court to have the willpower and the willpower to make sure that we continue the things that we need to do. We've taken a lot of steps in the last 4 or 5 months. It makes sure that we do have like I said, the willpower, but also the stick-to-itiveness to make sure the things that have got us from where we were 4 months ago to where we are now, well, keep that up. Don't fall off the wagon. Yeah, it's important to get today's tasks done, but you've got to look up and see that bus that's coming down the road. So my life has changed is starting to be able to look past today and see down the road of what is needed, what has to be done, what should be done, and what can be.
I would recommend Cogent to other businesses that are looking for a consultant, just because of the experience that I've had with them. They are very personable, they're very non-invasive, and they have a very broad range of knowledge with both Merlin and talking with him, and then also with Bob, who I've had the most experience with. His business experience goes well beyond my own, and with that experience comes a lot of knowledge.
Once it became evident that we needed the structure from the ground up, it was impressive to see how many things that Bob brought to the table as far as all this information from the ground up. To the point there were some things that we needed to address that I never even entered my mind. And if that became evident to me, there's no question that there's other companies that think, well, we do everything really, really well. I bet there's some things that you probably ought to take a look at yourself too, guys. So there's no question that I would recommend Cogent to anybody, whether they think they need it or not.